In this video of the SEO course, today you will learn about page indexing issues. As you all know, my friends, page indexing is very important if you want to get your website ranking on search engines. So how to do page indexing and what issues arise in it, this is a complete in-depth and practical tutorial for it. Learn it well. And friends, learn this course well, at the same time subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future important videos and courses. And one more important thing, Marketing Fundas has brought Maha Bundle course only for you guys. Through this, you can learn more than 50 digital technical courses. And friends, with this, you can grow everything like jobs, freelancing, business, etc. Along with this, we also have a partner program. For more details, link is in the description. You can click there to get all the details, or you can WhatsApp us and our manager will contact you. Friends, watch the full video. For the digital marketing services, training and consultancy, call the given numbers or visit our website.
So hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to talk about a very interesting feature of Search Console called indexing related issues. Today, we will cover the pages in this video. As you can see, my friends, the first option in indexing is pages. So we cover the pages and see what options are available on the pages. What do they mean? And what are the things? So friends, here I will give you an example. A very old website which has already had Search Console long ago. And recently we did a Search Console for a domain. So we'll see one page of it and we'll see its related issues here. So there is an option in the Search Console. Under indexing, you get pages. So here, all known pages, all the pages that are in your website. If there are any indexing issues related to that, so you can monitor them here. You can see what the issue is and why it is happening. Why are they not indexed? What is the error? What is the fault because of which our page isn't indexed, or if it is, then why isn't it being crawled? So we will cover these things and we will see what are the reasons in this. And in these reasons, how many pages there are that have been failed, right? So what are the errors in it and what are the issues? Let's start. So guys, right now we have a domain, our blog domain, right? Now, if I show you the blog here, then you will see a lot of issues, right? But not indexed issue, okay? And the indexed is 396. 6 of the URLs have been indexed and many have not been indexed. So what are the reasons? There are 7 reasons. You can see those reasons here below. They are mentioned. What are the reasons? So there are some reasons like server error. That means due to some server errors. These are the pages which are not opening. Let's check which are those pages. Okay, there are 139 pages. Generally, those are the pages like the feed pages, right? So every URL has its own feed URL. Clear? Okay. Now here you can see the code and you can also see it like this. In this feed, you can see the complete coding feed. So these are feed URLs that are not indexed. And this is a very common thing. We don't need to overthink this, right? This happens due to server error. You can validate it if you want so that this issue gets fixed. You validated it. The validation will start and after some time, all these things will get fixed. What's the next reason we have? Excluded by no index tag. That means the action that Google has taken here is it has ignored all of these pages. Here's total page count of the pages that Google has ignored or excluded because of no index. That means, look here, there are many pages which are the same. If we talk about what is web hosting, feed, these are all the same. If Google goes to these pages, which are the feed pages, they will get the same content, but it's in coding form. So what is applied to all these? There is a no index tag, meaning you cannot index it. So what is already placed on the feed page here? If no index tag is applied, it won't be indexed. Okay. What is the reason for this? It is written here. Page with excluded by no index tag. Here the no index tag is applied on these pages. So how many pages are those? There are 64 pages. Next, what is our reason for not being indexed? That is 404 not found error. That means the 404 which was coming. Okay. So here a 404 error came. Now here guys, you have error, 404 error. Now like there are so many pages here on which 404 error is coming. What does it mean? That it does not exist at all. That is, its URL has changed. It does not exist. So here, what is showing up in Search Console? Here 404 errors are visible. So how many pages are there in it? How many affected pages? 17 pages. There are 17 pages. What should you do? You validate it. In case if it is not fixed even after validate. So what you have to do here, whatever pages is mentioned here, that means what is that page? It does not exist. It may be that their URLs have changed. That's why what is coming here, 404 error issue is coming. Might have happened that you may have deleted that page. That's why there is issue in this. And the 404 error is coming, right? So if the URLs of the pages change and the slugs change here, now you can say that you delete that page over there or redirect it to some other page. It gets fixed with redirect, but in case it gets deleted or the URL slug changes, suppose in that specific situation, if someone tries to open that page, so what does it show then? It shows page not found. That means 404 error is shown. So what does 404 mean? Page not found error, right? What is our next reason here? Let's see the next reason. What's the next reason? Excluded by no index tag, same as before. Okay. Now there is an issue here. And what is the reason for it? Not having an index, which is page with redirect. That means there are some pages which have redirection. Okay. So which are those pages? Like header and design are kept here. Some social media blog pages, meaning pagination pages. What applies to all? Redirection applied. So this is also affected pages, which means like it's not indexed here, right? Now, what is a new reason? Discovered, but currently not indexed. What is written here? Discovered, currently not indexed. Now, what are those 81 pages here, which are already discovered, but they have not been indexed? Okay. So now those are mainly such pages which have been discovered, but they were neither indexed nor crawled. So what should we do for those pages? You will have to forcibly get index done. If you click on validate fix here, it will validate and go into the process. And indexing will start from there also, right? The next thing is crawl, meaning crawling has been done, but not indexed. So how many pages is this total? There are 155 here. Now there are 155 pages with such tags. If there are any pages with categories, then you don't need to worry too much. You have check your main page, whether it is a post page or your main page, whether it has been indexed or not. Okay. You haven't thought that much into it, if it's getting indexed or not, because these are tag pages. Like you people create tag for any post and you tag any product or any post. Giving categories creates their pages too. Their URL of the tag also gets created. And here the category URL is created. So what do we have to do? Now, so you can ignore these. There's no need to take them seriously. But the show up here, these things haven't been indexed. Now see that alternate page with the proper canonical tag means there are alternate pages. Like let's assume business listing sites list, 2 pages and blogs may have been created. What will happen in all this? The canonical tag will not be applied. What's a canonical tag? A video has already been made on this. You can go and see what is canonical tag. It's explained in it. There are some pages, alternate pages, where the canonical tag is not applied. So you will have to fix and set these things in it. It might be detecting 2 URLs. That's why it will consider one URL as final and it will index. So these are all the reasons which are not indexing your pages. Got it? Okay. That's all for this video, guys. We'll bring more interesting topics in upcoming videos. Till then, thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed this video very much. If you liked it, you can let me know in the comment section and you can also write your queries. Friends, if you want to take training from Marketing Fundas or you want to take digital marketing services, friends, you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call us at the numbers provided. Marketing Fundas has brought an amazing partner program to learn and earn, and the link is in the description. Click it. And thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.